In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in PowerPoint, a skill that can truly elevate your presentations and capture the attention of your audience. Let's dive right in and get started with this creative process. First, you'll need to open up your PowerPoint application on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation you want to work on ready, or you may start with a new blank presentation. This setup is crucial because it gives you a clear workspace and allows you to focus on the task at hand without any unnecessary distractions. Next, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you want to animate. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're on the right slide where you plan to add animations is vital. Now, once you're there, take a moment to look at the elements you want to animate, be it a picture, a piece of text, or a shape. Selecting what to animate is all about determining what will most effectively highlight your key messages or keep your audience engaged. Now it's time to put those plans into action by clicking on the element you wish to animate, whether that's a picture, text box, or shape. By selecting it, you prepare it for animation, giving you control over how it will appear or behave on the slide. With your object selected, direct your attention to the top of the screen and find the Animation tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on it will open up a whole new range of possibilities that you can experiment with. Once you're in the Animation tab, you'll see a drop-down menu for animations. Click this drop-down to explore the array of animation options available to you. This menu includes everything from subtle fades to dramatic fly-ins. Now you get to choose your animation style. This choice is more than just aesthetics. Your animation should complement your content, enhancing rather than distracting from your message. Once you've picked an animation, don't forget that you can enhance it further. At the bottom of this drop-down menu, there's an option to load more animations, offering even greater variety and customization. After deciding on an animation, consider accessing the Effect options. Here you can choose a variation of the effect you selected. This feature allows you to tailor the animation's direction, style, and sequence, giving your presentation a polished and professional touch. Animation is as much about choosing the right style as it is about perfecting the details. Taking the time to explore these options can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your presentation. So don't rush, experiment with various animations and effect options until you achieve the perfect balance that meets your presentation's goals. And that's it, you're ready to animate your presentations in PowerPoint. With these steps, you can transform a simple slideshow into a dynamic and engaging presentation that leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Happy animating!